welcome back to BJP Lifestyle, guys. I hope you're having a great day. If you're new here and you're not already subscribed, make sure you click the subscribe button down below right now to be notified when new videos go live. New videos every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday at 3 p.m. here on the channel. And I'm gonna be honest, guys, we're coming up on that 10K mark. So if you guys can get me to 10,000 subscribers by the end of this coming month, so May, June, so the end of next month, June, if you guys can get me to 10,000 subs by the end of that month, which is kind of a stretch, it's like 2.2K subs or something like that. I think you guys can do it though if you share the videos and push it and tell people to sub. But if you guys can get me to 10,000 subscribers by then, I'll get the Jeep logo tattooed on me. So yeah, if you guys want that challenge, then go ahead and do that. And if you're not already following me on Instagram, make sure you do that now because I'm about to hit like 400 followers on there. And I post nice photos of me in the Jeep. So we got some stuff to do today, and then hopefully it should be a fun video or an interesting video. We'll see kind of how it goes, but let's just get on with our day. I just flicked on my little windshield wipers there to get the pollen off the windshield. And remember when I did the install, if you guys remember that video, when I installed the actual windshield wiper blades themselves, when I did that swap. I don't know if you guys remember, but I was like, these things feel like they're gonna fly off. I just put them on and it just snapped off and just shot and went flying. So that was cool. I'm glad I wasn't driving and I was just kind of stopped here. But yeah, that's not cool on the design of those. So maybe don't get the ones that I got in that video. Now, if you guys have watched the channel for pretty much any amount of time, then you guys probably know that I have an addiction to smoothies lately. They put a new smoothie place in a couple months ago or so, and it just hits different, you know. It's hot out. It's, you know, it's better than me just drinking soda, or I don't know, maybe drinking a beer and driving around. I don't know, but these smoothies, you know, they're just getting me. All right, we got more to do, and then we're gonna be on our way. I promise. But it's a beautiful day out. Enjoy the weather if it's nice where you guys are, for sure. I really can't wait for YouTube to get smell-o-vision so you guys can scratch your screen and smell this. You guys have asked before what I have for air fresheners. I know it probably smells really good in the videos, so you guys wanted to know. So I have these like little stick things. They're kind of dead right now. They don't really smell, so I grabbed some more. You just throw them out, but they just clip onto the vents rather than like those other ones that I had where they were like liquid or something and they clipped on. So I'm just gonna throw all those away. And then yeah, I got some more. So I just get the black ice scent here. These are just like Little Trees brand, and they have them, they're like $2 or $3 or something like that. And they just come in a pack of 4, so you can stick them on all your vents. And they smell really good. They're really strong though when you have like the AC blowing or something like that. And I just stick them on, they clip in, and you can see, I'll show you in a second, that they don't really like stand out too much. They kind of just blend in, which is what I like, but they smell really, really good. If you guys like the smell of black ice, which I'm pretty sure most people do, then there you go. You just get these little guys, slap them in, and you'll be smelling good. This is what they look like. You can see they're just like in the vents, and they smell good. And yeah, but let's go get to what you clicked on this video for. All right, so this is what you guys have been waiting for. You guys have been asking for it, and I'm kind of curious myself. So the car has changed a lot since the previous 0 to 60 video, which actually we're gonna do 0 to 30 and 0 to 60 in this video because we have the taser, which is gonna be able to time that for us. Now, if you check out the car here, it's a lot different. So the Jeep here is so much different than what it was when I did the original 0 to 60 video. I'm at actually the same location, which it kind of has some downhills and stuff, so we're gonna have to play around with it. But we're gonna try and get a rough reading of 0 to 60, just normal when you're driving, normal mode, and then obviously sport mode. We'll do like a little rolling one, a complete stop. We'll do 0 to 30, 0 to 60, all that kind of fun stuff. I'm thinking what I'm gonna do is strap the GoPro up on my head and do like a POV, as well as hang the camera from the mirror or from the windshield and give like a different point of view of it. So we'll have both those views. Now, to note some of the things that have changed, just because you guys are probably curious, if you guys are just finding this video and you haven't watched any of my other videos, then so this is the 2018 Jeep Grand Cherokee Altitude Edition. So the Altitude package comes with like the blacked out accents and all that kind of stuff, but it's basically just an upgraded Laredo. So it's a very low package. It's not a crazy build, or it's not anything crazy on that. It has the 3.6 liter V6 engine, so again, not running the Hemi V8 or the 392 SRT engine or anything like that. It's literally just the V6, so this is a very standard car. Under the hood, I do have the K&N cold air intake, so you guys will definitely hear that as I floor it. On the sides here, obviously these are bigger tires, bigger wheels. So these are the Nitto 420V tires. I believe they're 285, 35, 22, and then on 22 Hellcat replicas, which are a much larger size than the original 20s that come on the car, which I swapped those out for that. It also has a lowering kit, so it's the Eibach lowering springs front and back, which kind of lowers it down. You can see there it doesn't look very stock. And then in the back, the other thing is the catback exhaust system from AFE Power. So I'll try and link everything down below as usual. So if you're looking at anything that's on the Jeep, chances are all the parts will be linked down below for you guys to check out. Now, like I said, I'm going to use the taser to do this. I'm gonna have to do a third one of these videos in like, I don't know, probably like a couple months or something, maybe a month or something. I'll do it because I have some more stuff coming for the Jeep that should hopefully improve the get up and go and the performance of it. That video might actually be coming next week, so I'm not really sure yet. But yeah, I guess all that's left to do is to hop inside and see what we got going. Hopefully it rips. Hopefully it's a lot faster than the previous one. I'll have to go back and compare the previous one to this, which I'll link that down below as well if you want to see where it was before, how it looked before, because it's changed so much. But yeah, let's just go ahead and jump right into it. All right, so this is what I look like through the camera when I have the GoPro strapped on my head. So if you guys are wondering what the POVs look like, this is pretty much what it's like. It's kind of just right in my eyes. But we're gonna pop into the GoPro here so you guys can see my POV of this. All right, so I have no idea how this taser even works for this, so we're gonna go ahead and just, I'm gonna die. Like, guys, you don't even know. I'm gonna die for this video because the AC off, it's like, it says it's 70, but when that sun's hitting, it is, oh boy, it is warm out. So if we go over here and then we swap through the settings, I don't know why I didn't just do the video like this and just show you guys. That would have made sense. But all right, so let's turn this AC off and just, you know, sweat it out. I guess we're gonna die, you know. I'm gonna put in the effort and die for you guys. So it says go to 30, so I guess you just put it to this mode and then you floor it to 30. I don't know how this is supposed to work. So 0 to 30, it says start 30, so I think I just floor it. So let's just, so it says 0 to 30 in 3.034 seconds on the 0 to 30 time on that. With, I guess it was a pretty flat ground, but that was just with the 0 to 30. So that was without sport mode on or anything. I just basically floored it and just kind of sent it that way. We're gonna go down here, stop, turn around, and then we'll set it to 0 to 60 and see what that comes out as. Because I'm assuming if the 0 to 30 is around 3 seconds and the 0 to 60 is gonna be around 6 seconds, right? If you do the math, 0 to 30, double to 60, I don't know. Maybe I'm just kind of thinking out my ass with that one. 0 to 60. All right, ready and go. .077 seconds. So that was with without sport mode, and that was just completely floored to the ground or back to the mat. So 7 seconds isn't too bad, but the math is off on that, so there's something going on there. There's a little bit of lag or something, right? So hopefully we'll be able to fix that here soon. All right, so we're at about the same point. It says go to 30, but let's see if we do a complete stop, if it resets here. Hopefully it does, and hopefully no one comes out behind me while I'm trying to get this to reset. All right, so sport mode is on now. So you can see there's sport mode on. You can see the little sport light, and then now it says start 30. So now we just let off the gas and floor it, or let off the brake and floor it. .95 with sport mode on. Wow, that's actually really quick. We almost went to 60 there, actually way faster than I planned on, but 2.095 seconds. So basically 2 seconds for 0 to 30 with sport mode on, which is pretty good if you ask me. It's really not bad at all. All right, so we're stopped, sport mode on, 0 to 60, we're clear. All right, let's see. .7 seconds, pretty much almost flat again, almost 7.1 again. So 7 seconds for 0 to 60 isn't too bad. 7 seconds I feel like isn't too bad, but I feel like it's also pretty high. So let's just go ahead and rip it. Again, about 7 seconds, which I feel like 7 seconds for 0 to 60 isn't too bad in this. I don't know. I feel like it definitely could be quicker, but I feel like there's almost like some input delay, kind of like lag in getting going and stuff. So like I said, there's different ways that we can kill that, hopefully soon. We'll see. Maybe that's a spoiler for the future video. But yeah, 7 seconds for that, but 2 seconds 0 to 30 with sport mode is pretty funny, because that's pretty quick 0 to 30. I mean, you're going right away. Let's do one more sport mode 0 to 30 right here and then call it quits. Just about 2 seconds again. It really likes those, likes to get up and go. All right, so basically the times that I'm getting there are about 2 seconds with sport mode on, 7 seconds with sport mode on for 0 to 30 and 0 to 60. We're looking at about 3 without sport mode, and also about, I think, close to 8, but I think it was about 7 something. So I feel like it's definitely got faster. I'll have to compare it to the previous video, which, like I said, if you haven't seen that, check it out up here now. But it definitely feels faster, at least to me. I think it could just be the sound. Like I said, it could all just be in my head. Like I said, I don't really truly believe that you gain much horsepower, if any, from a cold air intake. So kind of where I stand with that. You guys might think differently, but that's kind of how I stand with it. And overall, like, the performance is good, it sounds good, it's fun to drive, and everything like that. So yeah, those are kind of the updated numbers. Like I said, I do have something coming that should be here within the next few days that I'll film for next week, which is actually going to change the 0 to 60. So I'll actually put that in that video, probably just an updated 0 to 60 for that. But yeah, let me know. Do you guys think that it sounds louder? Is it faster? Like, what do you guys think? What is your 0 to 30 and your 0 to 60 if you have the taser, or just if you're timing it yourself? What are you guys getting in yours? And if you have the V6, what are you guys getting? Because that's something that I'm always curious about. Like, is mine slower, is mine faster, kind of thing? And if so, why? And you know, like, what is making the difference? If you did enjoy this video, make sure you smash that like button down below right now. Help the YouTube algorithm, help this video get out to more people, and of course help the channel grow. If you guys are not already subscribed, make sure you click that subscribe button down below right now to be notified when new videos go live. New videos every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday at 3 p.m. here on the channel. And like I said, if you guys can get me to 10,000 subs by the end of next month, which is June, then I will get the Jeep logo tattooed on me. So try and do that, and let me know what you guys think about that in the comment section down below. And of course, check out Shop Lifestyle, get yourself some lifestyle merch. But thanks for watching, guys. Peace. I feel like I am losing